So now the next method of irrigation is modern irrigation method is drip irrigation. The word drip means drop. So look at the diagram. Similar to the sprinkler irrigation, a well is there, motor is connected to the well, then there is a main pipeline. The main pipeline is connected to various pipes which are present at the roots, which are present directly at the roots of the crop. So when the motor pumps the water from the well, the water goes through the main pipeline into these small pipes which are at the position of the roots of the crops. So the water is delivered drop by drop. The water is delivered drop by drop to the crop directly at the position of the roots. So in this method, no water is wasted at all because the water is provided drop by drop. Okay, I repeat, the water comes from the pipe at the roots position drop by drop. So no water is wasted at all. The advantages of this type of system is, first of all, main advantage is that no water is wasted at all. The second one is it is used for fruit crops, trees, etc. And the next one is it is used where there is poor water available. Okay, so what are the advantages of drip irrigation? Drip irrigation means providing the water drop by drop. So no water is wasted at all. It is used for fruit crops, trees, etc. It is used where poor water is available or availability of water is poor.